Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, December 3rd of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. We do have one December birthday to announce for December 3rd, and that's Avon Rodriguez. So happy birthday, Avon. I hope you have a wonderful day. Our lunch choices today are French toast bites, cheese calzone, or chicken Caesar salad. And our pause expectations are brought to you by Mr. Zaremski's first grade students.
Alright, boys and girls, today I have 3 students from first grade in Mr. Z's class to go through some positive expectations that you should be following.
Being nice to people outside. Being quiet in the hallway. Outdoor activity.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you very much for those. I appreciate it. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And everyone have a great day today. Let's have a wonderful Tuesday. I know some of you might be a little tired today from coming back from our Thanksgiving break, but let's make sure we have a positive school day and make sure that we're doing our best with all our expectations in all areas. Have a wonderful day.